Okay, so now you can see I filled in all of the information. Here I just put in some random fake address. It's not really important. Of course, you need to put your real address because I do it only for the purpose of showing you how it works. I created here a fake address, but you really need to put in your real address here. And I also included a telephone number and tell us how to contact you. Here my name. And here very important, if you do it yourself, you need to put in here owner or guarantor. And in my case, I just do approved representative because it doesn't really matter. It's only a test account. And here again, my telephone number. And now I click on continue. Okay, and now we need to confirm our telephone number that we just put in there, and we will do that in a second. So I'm back in a second. Okay, so what I did is I clicked on the get a text, and then they sent me an SMS. And in the SMS, it writes my code, and in this case, it's 2089. And then I click on continue. And as you can see, the next thing is tell us more about your business. You are almost done. Please select your legally registered business type. Now, I don't know which type of business you have. Maybe it's a sole proprietorship. Then you need to click this. The way you created your business, you need to put in that here. So I click here, this for an example. And now my name, blah, blah, blah. Last 4 digits of your social security number. I unfortunately don't have an American social security number, so I cannot put it in here, but let me try it. So please verify your personal address. This is again the same address. Month, here you need to put in your date of birth. I will do that here with some other data. And now here, total value of your inventory optional. I think this they do in order to see, in order to make sure that you're not a dropshipper. Because as you may know, eBay doesn't like dropshippers at all. They think that they don't like the whole process. And this is why they ask you of the value of your inventory. So for example, if you put in here 1,000 or less per month, and you are selling $20,000 a month on eBay, then they know it's not your inventory, and then they have a red alert or something, and then they might suspend your account. So this is why they are asking you for that. And I will put here something like, let's say 15 to 50,000. In my opinion, you can exaggerate a little bit here. So for example, if you have $4,000 in your you have inventory worth $4,000, I would go to this category, 5,000 to 15,000, just to make sure that you are not in trouble if you are selling much more than eBay expects based on your inventory value. And then I click on continue. Let's see if they accept my social security number. Okay, very good. Now, as you can see, the next thing, we will use this payment information to charge you for selling fees and any refund we issue on your behalf. And I click here PayPal, and now you can connect your PayPal account to your eBay account. Now we click continue to PayPal, and it's really easy to make a PayPal account. I won't show you this in the video, but here you can put in your PayPal account. So for example, your PayPal address is johnsmith@gmail.com. Then you put it in here, you put in here your PayPal password, and then you click on login. So like this. Okay, we have to wait a second. Okay, now for me it's here on German because I'm sitting in Germany, as you know. Blah blah blah, agree and continue. And this is basically how we now created an eBay account. Done. You've successfully created an eBay business account. Start selling.